on 2nd of March I had a very bad accident, so let's just make it blue. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing very well, and I hope you all are safe from this very dangerous second wave of COVID-19. By the way, Vipul, say hi.
Hi.
After a long time, after almost 2-3 months, I'm making a new video. In the last video I made the one with the Bentley, and I shot that video on 27th or 28th of Feb. And on 2nd of March I had a very bad accident, and I was coming home from work, and on my way back I had an accident and I injured both of my arms. So my left arm was dislocated and the right one was fractured, so I had to get the surgery done on my right forearm, and that's why I was inactive on the channel, and I had what you call plaster on both of my hands. That's the reason I was not active, and now I'm feeling much better than before. Both of my arms are getting back to the original form, you can say, and the physiotherapy is going on and I'm feeling much better. So I'll try to be as regular as I could. So yes, that was it, and today we are going to install the multicolored DRLs, daytime running lamps, on a Ford Mustang GT. You can change the color of DRLs by connecting it through an application on your phone, and we have arranged the DRL for the Ford Mustang GT, and now we are going to install it. So let's go.
Several days later.
So guys, finally after 10 days I am shooting the main part of this video. The part you just saw, I actually recorded that part I guess 10 days ago, on the day when we installed the multicolored DRLs on this Mustang. After that I was occupied in a few other shoots, and so we couldn't get the time to complete this video. But anyways, today the car is here, and I'm gonna show you the DRLs of this car, and also all of the other modifications that the owner has done on this beautiful car. So I'll show you everything one by one. So let's start with the DRLs, and then we'll move on to the other mods of this car. So here it is, guys. These are the LED lights that I was talking about, that we recently installed in this Mustang GT. So earlier it had the white LED DRL, so they were just like this only, but the color was white. You cannot change the color, and from the company they do not provide the DRLs. So here we have the application which is connected to this DRLs via Bluetooth. So as you guys can see on the phone, you can select basically any color, and it will change the color of the DRLs. So let's just make it blue. Okay, now you can make it green, yellow, and so you can even change the colors from here. You can even control the brightness. So as you guys can see, the color of the lights is now changed to purple. And speaking of purple, if you guys are lucky and me, we will see a purple supercar in this video right now in a moment. So yes, that was it. So let's take a look from here. See, you can change to any other color which you want, and it is super fast. So here, as you guys can see, green, yellow, pink, blue. So basically any color of your choice, you can change the DRLs, and it makes the car, you know, much aggressive with the DRLs. So if the DRLs here, let me just decrease the brightness. See, with no DRLs, the car, you know, doesn't look as aggressive as it looks with the DRLs on. So yes, that was it. Let me now tell you about the other mods that are on this Mustang. So let's go. So let me show you guys the other mods that we have done on this Mustang GT. So as you guys must have seen the video in which we installed this carbon fiber hood on this GT. As you guys can see, it is very lightweight as compared to the original hood. So as you guys can see, it has 3 vents on each side, and they are functional for cooling. So you know, these are not the fake vents you get in most of the aftermarket hoods. These are the functional one, and the weight of the hood is so light that after installing it, when we were going on a drive, after crossing, you know, 150 kmph mark, the hood started shivering like this because of the speed, and because of which the owner installed these aero catch latches, you know, to provide extra safety for the car. These are, so usually you see the bonnet of the car unlocks and you know, locks from a lever which is located right in the middle of the hood in most of the cars. But in this one we have installed these one. So how do you open it? You just press this and this, press this and this. Now this is unlocked. Now you have to, you know, unlock the third hatch, and then you can open your bonnet. Other than that, as you guys can see, these are the carbon fiber canards, and these are the custom made aluminum splitter that we have added. And you guys can see the rims have been painted in a custom gold color, and tire stickers as well. And these louvers have been added, and if you guys can notice, the rear tire looks slightly, you know, wider. That is because we have added 20 mm rear spacers to the car. And at the back, as you guys can see, the tail lamps have been smoked out. We have added a custom trunk spoiler, and yes, it has an upgraded exhaust, the Borla S-type exhaust, Borla ATEC I believe. And the boot is wrapped in carbon fiber, as well as the roof. And yes, as you guys can see, the theme of the car, it is you know, everything is golden. So you can see golden touches everywhere, and I think this golden look very amazing with this gray shade. And what else do we have on the car? So yes, that was everything we have outside. So let's now get inside the car. We haven't done much inside the car, but as you guys can see, the carbon fiber and Alcantara steering wheel with the red stitching and with the red painted stripe at 12 o'clock. And we have wrapped all these plastic parts in carbon fiber, as you guys can see. And other than that, I guess, yes, that's it. So yes, that was all the mods we have done. I hope I didn't miss any. I guess the purple car is here. I think it's here. I heard downshifting it. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Yes, it's definitely here. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but here it is, the purple Lamborghini Huracan. So here it is, guys, the purple Lamborghini Huracan. Yes, we'll shoot a video with this beast sometime very soon. You guys have to stay tuned. And this is a crazy, like, it was just idling and you guys can see the car started beeping. But yes, we'll soon shoot a video with that one. And let's go on a short ride in this Mustang and with the Huracan.
Stance बहुत सही है गाड़ी
है ना?
दिवाली ऑन रोड
So yes guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this little drive with the Mustang and the Lamborghini Huracan. So I hope I'll shoot a very cool video with this beast very soon. So stay tuned for that and make sure you share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video very soon. Bye.